Here's a short recap of part 26 of the Frogger series. First, import the smoke texture file and create a material from it. Set it to translucent, unlit, and dual-sided for the material properties. Second, create a Niagara system using the fountain template that we'll call ns_car exhaust. We'll remove gravity, set the sprite renderer to use our smoke material, and lower the spawn rate to 50. We'll also adjust the particle's lifetime, size, shape, velocity, and cone angle. Open the sedan blueprint and add the car exhaust system to it and place it appropriately. Create the second Niagara system using the omnidirectional burst template that we'll call ns_jump. Set gravity to a positive value, use the smoke material in the renderer, and adjust the emitter's state spawn count to 15. We'll also adjust the particle's size, lifetime, and set the shape to a torus. Open the Frogger jump animation and add a notify track for the Niagara system and use the jump system we just created. Next, we'll create a material called m_e base that we can set to be translucent, unlit, and two-sided. Then create a material instance from it called mi_blue and set the strength to 100 and the color to blue. Create the third Niagara system using the simple explosion template that we'll call ns_water depth. Delete the simple sprite burst and set the omni burst renderer to use the blue material instance we just created. Swap the mesh renderer in the upward mesh burst to the sprite renderer and use the blue material instance as well. Also adjust the sprite size and add in a curl noise with a strength value over 1000. Open the player blueprint and create a water death custom event that spawns the Niagara system at location. Use the water death system and pass in the capsule component's world location for the spawn location, then call the death event. Open the level blueprint, and in the overlap event for the trigger box, we'll replace the death event with the water death event instead. Next, we'll create another material instance from our emissive base called mi_green. Set the strength to 100 and the color to green. Create the final Niagara system using the omnidirectional burst template that we can call ns_car death. Set the sprite renderer to use green material instance we just created and add a curl noise with a high strength value over 1000. Open the player blueprint and create a car death event that spawns a Niagara system at location. We can use the car death system and pass in the capsule component's world location to the spawn location pin and then call the death event. Finally, open the moving objects blueprint, and in the overlap event, we'll replace the death event with the car death event instead. And just like that, we've added some special effects to our project. Stay tuned for part 27.